Guys, we've been asked for this particular wall type by a lot of passive house designers, so they can get an airproof barrier. And what I'll do is I'll quickly draw these for you and show you how to do it. So I've opened up the wall tool, which is up here. I created a keyboard shortcut of W, and essentially choose double masonry, right? So from the drop down, double masonry, then go to framing. And then inside of your framing, you're going to choose external battens vertical. They can also be horizontal as well. Do that because probably that cladding type should use that. And internal battens, you would choose those as well. And then when you go down to your materials and selections, you would choose a material for your external side of the wall. And you can see there that I've got a Artie's product. And you can also choose other membranes as well for inside of the wall. And I'll explain that a bit in a second. But essentially, once you've done that, simply go and trace around your walls. And yes, they are parametric, so I could actually go in and push-pull those walls and move them around, or I could split them. Split wall. And I'll split it here and here. And the same thing again. Yes, they're parametric. They'll change as you choose. You can also go and change the wall types to suit yourselves as well. So I can change 3 or 4. So let's change this to a masonry veneer instead. Submit. Right, and you'll notice that it's changing the wall construction type according to whatever it is there. And you'll notice that the footing sizes can also be changed as well if you choose. I'll just explain the membranes and everything. The reason I cut this away was that first you can have a membrane underneath the brickwork. Could be termite barrier. You have your battens there. You have your trim. You have your cladding. You also have your Tyvek in this case. You can also have another membrane here. It could be a waterproof membrane. You can see you've got the internal battens there. You have your trim there at the top and trim at the bottom. And basically that whole wall is drawn for you. And when you do a bill of quantities on it, obviously you're going to get a quantity for everything that's inside of there as well, including price. Hope it helps, guys. If you like the video, push like. If you dislike the video, push dislike. Tell us what else you need for Passive House, and we're doing our best to ensure that you've got a sustainable design software that not only allows you to draw, design, and detail, but also quantify. All right, guys. Hope it helps. Cheers.